I'm pretty sure because you landed on this video, you are planning to have your own WordPress website. But you might not be willing to pay money for the web developer and wanted to make your own WordPress website. So if you are the one, then this video is for you. Because in this video, we are going to discuss how you can have your WordPress website for free without spending any money for domain and hosting. So how you can do that, let's discuss right now. So first of all, open your browser and hit freeweb.rohitnarwal.com. Then you will land on this page and you need to scroll down. Here we have a start now call to action. Just click over here and you will be redirected to this website. Now the process is very simple. You need to scroll down and you will have here I agree with the terms. Just check this box and click over set it up. Now you can see here this is my website which I will be going to use, and this is my username and the password. Now just click over access it now, and now we are at the back end of our website, and from here we can edit each and everything which we want. First of all, you can see here your site was set up successfully and we have some login details and password here and one notification here as well. It says this site will automatically deleted in 1 day, 23 hours, 56 minutes and 40 seconds. And that's great because you are having your WordPress website in order to learn about WordPress for free, and you can see what does the WordPress offers to you. You can see its endless opportunity. Let me clear it here. The sky is the limit. You can be limitless on WordPress. So first thing what we can do, we can just hide this window here, and if I click here on visit site, let me open it in a new tab, and you can see here our website is live now. If I copy this URL here, this is my URL for now, and I simply go to Google and paste this URL in Google and hit enter. You can see here I am live now. This is my website and I can do whatever I want here. So now if you want your website to be made very quickly, what you can do, you can just go to appearances here in your backend, hit over themes, and you will see here add new option. Just click over add new, search here for Astra, ASTRA, and then install this one here. After installing, click over activate. You can see here it's very quick. It's not the case that you are experiencing any kind of lag. The speed of this website is very good, and that's great for now. Then what you can do, you can just go to this part here. In appearances we have Astra options. Just click over it. Here at the right hand side we have install importer plugins. So if I click here, it's being activated. Select a page builder. For now I'll go with Elementor, and then here we have a lot of pre-made templates ready to be used. So that's cool. If you want your website to be fully free website and you don't want to invest any money, just go to here, select free here, and it will show you only the free templates available here. So that's great. Also, if you want great features like this, great images, great editing stuff, so you can also select agency one also, but for now let me just go with free. And let's suppose we want here this website here, so we need to click here, and as you can see we have these beautiful different pages pre-built, and if I click here import complete site, they all will be imported on my website. And if you want to import a particular page, you can also do so. So I want to import complete website here, so I'll just click over here, and then I'll click over skip and import. Yes, I'm a beginner, and then this is for me. That's it. Click over next, fill your details here, give your ID and like this, and then click over submit and start importing. So this message will appear here, and then after a few seconds this full website will be imported on your website. And now it says visit site. Just click over visit site and you can see here, look at this, how beautiful it is, and this all belongs to you. Now if I go to about, you can see here how beautiful this about page is, and we have this books page also. So if I click here, look at this, man, how beautiful it is. A contact page also, a beautiful contact page. So now the point is how you can edit all of this. So let's suppose if I go to home, and let's suppose you want to make few changes here and you want to edit it. So you need to click here over edit with Elementor, and then you will have this window here at the left hand side, and your website will look like this. And let's suppose you want to change some text here and you want to add a different text. Just click over this text over here and you can edit this text here, and you can type whatever you want, like I am typing here ABC or whatever you like, and it totally depends upon your niche and totally depends upon you, how you like it and how you prefer your website to look like. Now let's suppose I don't want this part here, best selling books. So what I can do, I can just simply right click here and we have a delete option here, and if I click here, it's now permanently deleted. And let's suppose you want that thing back. So how you can do that, you have here history at the bottom, just click over history, and we have here remove section just below that. If I click here, this thing is back now. Now let's suppose you want to add a different image here. So how can you change that? Just click over this pencil button over here. Here we have a choose image section. Just click over here. You can simply drag and drop any image here, so it will be uploaded to your media library, and from here you can choose whatever image you like. Let's suppose I want this image here, so we can select this, and if I insert it, it will be shown something like this. So this is how it works. Now you can play around with each and everything here and learn how they work, and you can get to know about the endless opportunities that WordPress offers to you and variety of options available for editing your website. So this is how it works, and in this way you can have your WordPress website for free, a free domain name, a free web hosting, and you can learn and develop your skill here in this website. So this is how it works. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here for more upcoming awesome and WordPress related content. So that's it. Thank you so much.